Hi guys, welcome back to Glam and Gown. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are keeping safe. So as the title says, we are not going to talk about any products today. I'm not going to talk about any good or bad brands, or I am not going to give you any reviews about it. It's just going to be heart-to-heart conversation because it's been a while and I am getting these DMs regularly. Okay, so I got my phone and here I have all my DMs. Some are bad, some are good, which is why people are sending me messages because they cannot write good or bad things about me on the comment section. And this was the reason I switched it off, as I turned the comment section off because if you go to any blogger's profile, see a lot of hate comments. So I don't want that in my profile because I become very weak. I get demotivated if I see something which is bad, or which is pulling me down basically. So this is the reason which is why my comment section is off. So on YouTube there's no such option, so I couldn't do that. But then on messages like on Insta I receive, and these days I'm receiving a lot of DMs. So let's just show you guys the DMs. I got myself a cup of coffee because it's like, moreover we are going to do gossip. So let's just start the gossiping because I have so many to show you guys. The first one says, what do you think of yourself? Wait. Okay, so I'm back and I took 2 minutes ka pause because I was like wondering, should I like just stop this and ignore the DMs? But then I was like, let's keep it real and it's okay. Let's do this. I think you guys will like this video because it has a lot of gossiping. So okay, let's just read the first DM. Where is it? Okay. Preeti Nagpal 0, I think it's not good to say the username. Preeti says that, what do you think of yourself? Question mark. Bitch, fake you are. Fake lips. Such ugly face you have. Don't try to act like you are the best. You are nothing. You are a zero girl. Okay, so okay Preeti, that's your opinion about me, and I can't do anything about it. If you feel that I am nothing, I am zero, okay. So guys, that's the reason I have turned off my comment section on Instagram because I don't like this kind of negativity. When I get to hear something bad, or when I read something bad about me, I get demotivated, like really. And then it's like somebody's pulling me down, and I think about that a lot then, which is why I ignore, and I have switched off the comment. I have turned off the comment section, and I don't know, I should work on it. Actually, I'm working on it. I become negative also when I read something bad about me. I feel that okay, maybe she or he, the person, is right, and I think about that stuff too much then, and it's like the entire day my brains are working. So yeah, I am still working on it, and I hope I become little positive because in this section I'm really very negative. So yeah Preeti, that's okay. Like, I have nothing to say, and if you are still watching my video, it's okay. Okay, so the next one is by Priya Day 924. She says, I know you since bloody 8 years. I have seen all the good and bad moments you have faced in life. Finally, the right time is coming again after all the hurdles. Just a small request, don't look back again. You, my friend, have all the capabilities. Please don't destroy it again. By the way, you are soft-spoken, outspoken, honest. This will help you more. Love you. That's so sweet of you, Priya Day. And yeah, that's like really kind of you that you are saying such good things, and I am really honored that you are a true follower. You've been with me since 8 years, long time. So thank you so much for being with me. And so she's always messaging me whenever I'm posting something on my stories, or some video or some post I am posting. So yeah, thank you so much for such nice words, Priya. Yeah, I am outspoken, that's true. Okay, so the third one is by Ronnie Broken Soul. और ये मेरे को March 12 रात के 2 बजे आया. And this person says that lol loser talking to a loser for hours, not a big deal. So okay, this person has no followers, no post, which completely means that it's a fake account. And रात के 2 बजे message आना, some stalker or maybe someone who likes me. I don't know who the person is, but it's okay if you call me loser. That's completely fine. I don't give a damn about it. Okay, so the next one is where are the Hi Sneha, I am a new follower and a subscriber to your channel. I really like your style. You are never showing off anything, so real and genuine about everything. That's so sweet of you that, you know, we would love to see your personal life too. Why don't you have a boyfriend or any partner? You are never posting anything about your relationships. And please note, I love your recommendations. Love from Manipur, Anu. Okay, firstly, hi Anu, welcome to Glam and Gown. And yes, I don't post something which is personal. It's because I don't like posting. Nowadays, there were days when I used to post a lot of stuff, like personal stuff also, as in when I was having my boyfriend, I used to post pictures with him. It's not that I've never posted. I had posted long back, but now I am not in that zone anymore, like not into relationships or, you know, trying to look for a partner or something like that. No, I am very focused. So for now, no one is in the card, and I really like your style. That's so sweet of you. And you're never showing off anything. Yeah, that's true. I don't like showing stuff, like as in there were like days when I actually bought a lot of good stuff, like luxurious stuff. I used to literally I never used to save money. I have spent so much of money on stuff, like, you know, getting makeup for 15-20,000, spending money on clothes, jewelry. I mean, there are so many stuff which I regret right now. I wish I would have, you know, saved those money, but then never. It's okay, but now I feel that as you grow with age, you slowly and gradually realize a lot of things. So yeah, now I am in a zone of saving. I am not at all spending money on bullshit stuff. I think I should carry forward this. That's good for me also. So the next person says that, hi bitch, you were about to visit Dubai, plan cancel, question mark, and then the person is laughing. So yes, I thought of Dubai. Unfortunately, I think I have to cancel the flight. The flights are not yet cancelled, and the situation is so horrible. मैं घर से बाहर निकलने का भी नहीं सोच सकती, and going on a trip doesn't make any sense. So girl, I think you should watch news, or, you know, install some news app on your phone and try to go through the daily updates, because your knowledge is like, I don't even want to talk about it further. So I really feel sad about this, because last year also I planned for Ladakh during this time, because in May it's my birthday, and I planned for Ladakh, and it got postponed, and then it got cancelled. And this year also same happened. So I feel I'm really unlucky, because whenever I plan my trips, hota hi nahi hai kuch. Though my unplanned trips are always great, like Kerala was not planned, Nepal was not planned, and I planned for Ladakh, it got cancelled. And then this year I planned for Dubai. My visa is right there, but then I cannot take the flight. The situation is so bad. So yeah, I think I should always go for unplanned trips, because planned trips kabhi successful hota hi nahi mere saath. So this person says that, how you manage office, question mark, nobody says anything to you, question mark, you are so perfect. So no, firstly, I am not at all perfect. There are times when my seniors they are telling me that okay, I am doing this thing wrong, or I'm doing something wrong, which can be a compliance issue. So if I'm doing something wrong, that's obvious that they are going to shout on me, and they are going to say bad things to me. That is pretty much acceptable also. And also I feel blessed, because this is such a nice office where I'm working. I mean, people are understandable, and my boss is also good, so I don't have any complaint or anything regarding my office or my work. I'm really happy with my work. Touch wood. Then this person says, hey Sneha, are you leaving your job? No, I am not leaving my job for now, at least, because I'm really happy with my job, and I'm blessed, I feel, because people are nice, and they're understandable. It's not that I'm getting all the privileges, no, I won't say that, but then it's always give and take, guys. Like, if I am doing good, if I'm giving the stats, then of course people won't say anything to me. And if I am not doing my job properly, if I'm not giving those many hours which is required, then that's obvious that my boss will shout on me, and which is acceptable again. So yes, for now I am happy with my job. Although ये सवाल मेरे दिमाग में बहुत बार आया कि I should quit my job because it gets so difficult sometimes. I can't even tell you. I am like मेरे को समझ नहीं आता कि मैं क्या करूँ, because brands are calling me, they are mailing me, then I have to do my office work also, I have to get my pictures clicked also. There are so many things, and sometimes I'm like clueless. I'm like, I can't do this, let's just quit this now. So still I am trying to, you know, manage it. Let's see कब तक जाता है. And also, if my office people are watching this video, thank you guys for, you know, handling me. Okay, so on this note, I am saying bye bye to you guys, and the next video is coming just in a day or two. It's about skincare, so wait for it. And so if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe my channel. I love you all, and I will see you guys day after tomorrow. So these types of nasty and bad comments you actually receive, it's not always a good, where did I so people are always one blah, blah, blah. So everybody thinks that bloggers live amazing because they get a lot of stuff, they get free products from the brands, they get paid collaborations, and it's all good, and they receive good comments and everybody is appreciating. So no, of course it's not the case always. You get to receive a lot of ugly comments also, for example this one. So I don't want to say anything to Preeti. That's your opinion about me, and I really respect that, because